And the events in Uttarakhand have proved to be a major embarrassment for the centre, and that's led to the predictable blame game. Somewhat unusually though, the President of India is also being asked questions, with the Congress party saying it wished he had waited before signing the proclamation for President's rule.
Has the trust vote become a major embarrassment for the centre?
Within minutes of the President's rule being revoked in Uttarakhand, the blame game has begun on who should be responsible for the Narendra Modi's government's biggest mistake of removing a democratically elected government in Uttarakhand.
This evening, Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi met the President to brief him. He told NDTV, and I quote, "I met the President to brief him about the Supreme Court proceedings. I told the President that the court asked the government to revoke the President's rule," unquote. The President's hurry to sign off on central rule in Uttarakhand a day before the trust vote has also come in for criticism.
I just wish that the President of India would have held his hand rather than signing the proclamation order on that fateful Sunday.
Legal opinion on the President's role is divided.
A criticism is he should have sent it back for government's consideration. What happened? The government reiterated. He had to do it under the Constitution.
The President doesn't seem to have hesitated at all. He could have asked the government to reconsider. Even that query was not raised, and that's very, very disappointing.
The Supreme Court may have spoken, but the jury is still out on who's to blame for President's rule in the first place. In New Delhi with Sunil Prabhu, Yash Chawla, NDTV.